Hey, good morning, students. This is Mrs. Kramer. How are you all this morning? I am wonderful. It is April the 2nd. It is a Thursday, and we're almost at the end of another week. Seems like it's forever that I've seen you guys. I miss you all. I thought today we might do a integer exponent review. So it'll be short, and then I'm going to have just a little bit of activity for you to do online, just a couple problems to work online. If you would either, probably be easier to just write them on paper and then take a picture of it and have your parent take a picture of it and send it to me. Just attach it to the Google Classroom, and then we can collaborate together there. Remember that with exponents, anything raised to the 0 power would equal 1. So 100 raised to the 0 power would equal 1, and a variable raised to the 0 power would equal 1, as long as that variable is not equal to 0. So in this case, as long as n is not equal to 0, any number raised to the 0 power would be equivalent to 1. Now here's some of our review problems. I have 10 to the -4th. Okay, you cannot have a negative exponent. So remember, when the exponent is negative, you're going to do the reciprocal of it. And when you do that, your exponent would become positive. 5 to the -3rd. We can't have a negative exponent. So do the reciprocal. It would become 1 over 5 to the 3rd. X to the -n. Okay, as long as x is not equal to 0, it would become 1 over x to the nth power. Now you've got a -2, the quantity -2 raised to the -3rd power. Notice it's got the parentheses. Keep your parentheses. That 2 is still a negative. It would become 1 over a -2 to the 3rd. So if you simplified these out further, this would become 1/10,000. Five times 5 is 25, times 5 more is 125, so that's 1/125th. The x to the -n, that would just, you'd use a reciprocal, so that would be 1 over x to the n. You could not simplify that one further. But this 1 over the quantity -2 raised to the 3rd power, you need to think, what's a -2 times a -2? That's a +4. Then multiply it again by a -2. That would be a -8. So this would become a -1/8. If you guys have questions, email me. Have a great day. It's a great day to be a Minuteman. Minutemen all in. I'll have a copy of this out on the Google Drive for you, and then I'll have a short activity for you to do, practicing using integer exponents. Have a great day, guys, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Goodbye.